Hi students and families. Thanks for taking time out today to do some art. I'm really missing your faces and your creativity in the art room. Today's lesson is about an artist that makes art outdoors. That's something that hasn't been taken away from us. We can still go outside and enjoy the outdoors and the fresh air and nature. As you can see today, it's a beautiful day, and I've come out here to enjoy it. The artist that we're going to learn about today is Andy Goldsworthy. Andy Goldsworthy is originally from the UK, and he is now living in Scotland and practicing his art. Andy Goldsworthy makes art with natural materials. He doesn't use any tools other than his hands. He doesn't even use glue or nails or staples or tape or anything like that. Andy Goldsworthy's art deals with the concept of time and the fact that the artwork itself is not going to be permanent and it's going to eventually go away. So today I'm going to be making something with natural materials. This is something that you can do at home. You can go around your yard, or you can go to the park like I did and look for natural materials. What Andy Goldsworthy does to preserve his artwork is photographs it. So once you've made your natural materials sculpture, you can take a picture of it. Whatever pictures you take, be sure to upload them to your Google Slides so that I can see what you've made. To start my artwork, I'm going to take a walk and start collecting some natural materials that I can use to make something. Okay, I think I've found all of the materials that I need. The next step is to find a spot to build your sculpture. I found this really cool tree that is kind of growing sideways here, and it creates a perfect base for my sculpture. So the next step is to start arranging the items that I've gathered in a way that looks good to me. So as you can see, during when I was creating this sculpture, I had trouble, and I didn't give up. I kept working at it, and at first I had the round pebbles, and they weren't stacking properly, and they kept falling. So I decided to go back and find some flat stones, and eventually that worked. So the first time you do something, remember, it's probably not going to work exactly how you planned, and that's okay. And remember, that's a part of art. A part of art is making mistakes and working through them. So I hope you enjoy the outdoors, and I hope you enjoy creating something out of nature. I'll see you in the next video.